शेनवारा राज्यांतल्या वेगवेगळ्या मंत्र्यांनी ताईंचें निमणें दर्शन घेतलें. मंत्र्यांनी दूख व्यक्त करून ताईंक आर्गां भेटयलीं. ताईच्या मरणा उपरांत राज्यांत राजकीय मार व्हड पोकळीक निर्माण जाल्या. आरडीएक्स खातीर पणजेच्यान संजय मनवली.
हालींचे हांव चड तिजे कडेन कॉन्टेक्ट म्हणजे 1-2 वर्सां सोडीत जाल्या. एक बरें व्यक्तिमत्व आहलें म्हणजे स्ट्रॉंग पर्सन हू ऑलवेज सेड वॉट शी वॉन्टेड टू से. म्हणजे आपल्याच्या मनान तें उलयताली. नो कॉम्प्रोमायज करप ना. बरी स्ट्रॉंग वील पॉवर. तसले पॉलिटिकल स्पियरांत हे लोक गावपाक मातशें कठीण. ओल्ड स्कूल थॉट म्हणटा पळय तो हांवें सांगलें की जावपाक जाय आसलें. ही लॉस्ट अ गुड पर्सन, admired by a lot of people.
ताई एक आमच्या गोंयची केवळ राजकीय जीवनातलेच नाही पण एक सामाजिक जीवनातलं एक मोठं असं मोठे नेतृत्व देणारे असं एक कणखर अशें एक व्यक्तिमत्व आशिल्लें. आणि आज तांच्या निधनान सामाजीक हानी चड जाल्ली आसा राजकीय हाज्या परस. मुख्यमंत्री म्हणून ताज्या पयल्या पदा वयल्यान देंवतकचय राजकारणांतल्यान भायर सरतकचय तांणी सामाजीक पदां आनी सामाजीक काम खूब मोठ्या प्रमाणार केल्लें आसा. त्यामुळे तांची याद आमकां गोंयकारांक सदांच आसतली. तिणें जें हांगासरलें समाज सुदारणे खातीर म्हणून आनी सामाजीक प्रश्नांचेर जें आंदोलन केलें ताज्या खातीरय लोकांची तांच्या बद्दल खूब याद आसतली लोकांक.
I think Goa has lost a very decent politician who was an upright chief minister. And I remember especially when I worked along with her in the PDF government. She was then the education minister and I was industries minister. I still remember and I will always remember her very fondly because when the PDF government was formed, not many people know about this. The first name that she proposed to be chief minister for the interim period after Dr. Barboza steps down as speaker was my name. But at that point of time I felt no, I don't want to be chief minister because I argued and perhaps that argument cost me being there. I said why should I be there as a interim during the interim period for short 15 days to 1 month. Then I should continue, let Dr. Barboza be continue remaining the speaker. That cost me being the chief minister, but I will always be grateful to her, Srimati Shashikala, who is no more, because mine was the first name that she had proposed and she was very vociferous. She is one lady, as we all call her the Iron Lady. She had very strong principles. She used to fight for what she believes is true, and I think that guided her in her entire life.